I think most people would be surprised to hear that we're seeing drug shortages in this country when every other commercial seems to be touting some new kind of drug for any kind of ailment from diabetes to anxiety. Why are we seeing these shortages?
It could be a number of reasons. One of the medicines you just mentioned, the diabetes medicine, which is semaglutide, which is being used for a lot of other reasons, particularly weight loss. It's become quite popular for weight loss, and so that could be one of the reasons why there's a shortage, because people other than diabetics are also using it.
What caused these shortages? I mean, we're a country that has seen supply and demand issues over the last few years during the pandemic and coming out of it. What do you think is the reason that we're seeing this?
It's multifactorial, I believe. You mentioned it. During the pandemic, we've seen on and off shortages in multiple different types of medications, and it really went down to supply and demand issue because our supplies went down. A lot of the drug companies were not able to produce as much because of various types of shortages, and of course that trickled down to the hospitals not having enough supply. And I think coming out of the pandemic, those issues are not completely ironed out, and so we're still seeing shortage in some medications from time to time as a result of that.
What do you think, doctor, can realistically be done to address this?
I feel like we need to open up the market to where we can source them from different countries even, so that we're not just dependent on one source. As long as the quality is good, and that's what the FDA is for, if they can open the market of drugs to just, like worldwide and with good quality control, I think that would solve some of the issue.
Dr. Farah, thank you so much for your insight. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.